Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Today, got some cutting for you. So let's just dive right into it and see what cool stuff we can come out with this time. Starting out with some jasper from the San Rafael Swell. Nice. Yeah, that's a pretty good looking jasper. A little bit of it broke off this side. Here's a really cool volcanic rock that one of my subscribers gave me. It's cool that a lot of the bubbles filled in with several different things. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, there's some chalcedony in some, and maybe some jasper. I'm not sure all that's in there, but it is cool stuff. Here's one of those septarians my subscriber sent me, the one that had like the zero on it or whatever. Not much inside. Okay, yeah. So I'm not going to really cut any more of these open because they are mostly on the outside because that's the way they broke down as they were tumbled. So yeah, I'm not going to really cut any more of these. Another rock one of my subscribers sent me. It looks like some serpentine and it is very green on the inside, which is typical of serpentine, which is what I think this is. Here's some crandallite I had sitting around that I hadn't cut into yet. Most of it I have, so it's surprising when I find one I haven't. Oh, cool. Yeah, I didn't think this was going to have any green or blue in it, but it's still cool stuff. Some more Levan black agate. Oh, nice. That's a good one. There's a lot of black there. Here's some Wonderstone from Salina. From the outside, it already looked like it was going to be pretty good, so I cut it twice. And yeah, it looks about what it did like on the outside, which is actually pretty nice. Here is some more, I think this one's also San Rafael Swell jasper. Ooh, looks nice. Here's a small piece of petrified wood I had laying around. It's probably going to look like that on the inside. And it does, which is nice. Good piece. And the last one for today is some good old Vernon Wonderstone. I also cut this one twice, and it looks good. Yeah, neat stuff. Once again, some pretty nice material. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.